For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Yasko. I'm a horary and market astrologer, and welcome to Market Astrology and Horoscope. These weekly videos are for traders and investors, although non-traders and non-investors, such as employers and employees, can gain insight into what's happening in the economy. On May 20th, I released a video titled Bull Call. If you listened to my earlier video, I stated to wait until just before closing if you're going long. Anyone who went long into Friday would have made a very good move. If you took a long position later in the afternoon of Friday, May 22nd, you really got in at the bottom. Look at your intraday technical chart and compare it to today. Today is 27th, Wednesday. You will see that the bull call was very appropriately made. Monday, Memorial Day, so it was closed. Now, let's start with Tuesday. And Tuesday, Dow rallies more than 500 points. And then, Wednesday, today, Dow again rallies more than 500 points. It's now over 25,000. I think 25,550 or something like that. So I'm looking at an article. It says published Tuesday, May 26th, 11 p.m. It says Fred Imbert at FOIMBERT. It says today, May 27th, Tuesday, Dow up 25,548. Again, over 500 points. S&P today over 3,000 today. It's now over 3,000. And NASDAQ at 9412. Stunning optimism. And by the way, I hope you didn't miss my lunar eclipse in Sagittarius titled Optimism and Euphoria that I published on the 23rd, which is last Saturday. That is exactly the reason why the market is going higher. It is led by optimism. In astrology, the outcome is what matters. It's called the judgment of the chart. An astrologer must judge the chart. What I mean is that in astrology, unless the astrologer makes a mistake, the outcome does not change. In technical analysis, the outcome is a maybe. This is why the double tops, triple tops, and fifth waves matter a lot to technical traders, and they make their decisions based on that. Many traders I watched on YouTube were bearish. Everyone expected the market was going to drop significantly because of its recent recovery to their highs. Astrology is very different. It's a language, and it was saying that the markets are going up. If you go back to my video 2 weeks ago, I had named Microsoft, Intuit, and other software makers along with Tesla, Verizon, AT&T, Facebook, Google or Alphabet, Apple, the FANGs. And they all moved and made the news. Intuit bought Credit Karma. Tesla has been in the news constantly since 2 weeks ago when I made that call. AT&T also made headlines because of the HBO. On Tesla, I didn't even know that the launch was supposed to take place today. I was just reading astrology and knew that it was going to move. Ford also made the headlines when President Trump visited the factory. Remember, I mentioned auto manufacturers. So today, tomorrow, the focus stocks could be entertainment such as Netflix, Disney, and others in that sector. Thursday is the 28th. So Friday, focus stocks will be on food, clothing, and commodities, as well as healthcare. Friday, the market can correct a bit, but Nothing alarming. This is a bull trend, and I expect it to culminate next month. Therefore, don't get comfortable or sit on your laurels thinking it will continue higher forever. We are not out of the woods yet. Stay tuned. Just be an observer for now. I just want to show you how American astrology can predict the markets. For those of you who are just used to short newspaper columns, you may be skeptical, but just keep an open mind. I developed this market model. It's definitely very different from regression analysis or any other techniques. My predictions for today is that in a very short weeks, a lot of traders will be making money. This may come as a surprise to most, but I predict that a big rally is in store. Check out Thermo Fisher Scientific, Boston Scientific, Texas Instruments, DeVry, the school, what do you call it? Is that a technical school? I think it is. Or any of the education stocks. But you do have to do some homework. But I think if you're a trader, you pretty much know what you're going to be trading. And what I'm saying is the trend is bullish. So you can trade whatever you want because the market is in the bullish trend. Those are just my picks, that's all. Just watch. Let me say this. You've never heard me stick to one direction the way Nouriel Rubini or Jack Klugman or Money GPS. I like them all. I like their delivery. They are very good at delivering their ideas. I appreciate everybody's view. I know that they are in the bearish camp, always, but that's their gig. I really do enjoy watching them and listening to their ideas. They are always on the bearish camp, but they express their opinions so well. That's why I watch them. This channel is not an advisory. This channel's mission is to educate you on the effectiveness of American astrology. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back. Stay lucky.